Hey, I'm Sandra, and today I'm going to show you a series of custom agents that I built within Notion that track our top feature requests coming from our customers. We've actually named each agent after a Sesame Street character, just to keep the agent interaction really fun. This system creates a monthly report that shapes our product roadmap, and we call it the Go-to-Market Top 10. So let's get started. Our first agent is the intake agent. It picks up the new gong call, reads through the transcript, and asks itself one question. Is there a feature request in here? Let me show you an example of this agent running in real time. 9 minutes ago, we got a gong call, and our agent screened it and realized there was no feature request detected, so it labeled it as rejected, doing its job. In the case that a feature request is detected on a call, the extractor agent wakes up. Now this agent pulls the exact quote from the transcript. For example, let's pull up this prior run. We can see that this feature request was detected from the CISO about admin controls. The next agent in our system is the matcher agent, which does a few things. First, it looks across our existing feature request database, which lives in Notion, and it either matches a request to something we're already tracking or recommends that we create a new one. Next comes the logger agent. This agent helps us link the feature request to the matcher's recommendation. It associates the extracted quote and customer information from a Salesforce worker with the feature request. We have our extracted quote, we know which feature request to associate it to, and we have our business metrics. So now the reporter agent brings it all together. It compiles all the feature requests from all the sources I mentioned into a digestible, data-backed report on the first of every month. This is great because it ties back feature requests to real customer quotes with sources and to business impact. I love handing this work off to custom agents because it's important work that I couldn't imagine us doing any other way. With hundreds of hours of calls every month, this system filters the noise and gives us a clear, data-backed picture of what customers are actually asking for. And as for your feedback, keep it coming, and see you next time.